Sairam class 4 students. Welcome to today's maths class. We will start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. All of you can join your hands for that. Om. 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 Yes, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It is chapter 7 in your book, and the lesson's name is Jugs and Mugs. Okay, to start the lesson, I would like to take you to Tata Class Edge. Okay, so we are going to Tata Class Edge. Let us try. Okay, let me enter the school's name. Sai Vidya Vihar. Okay, username. And let me type password. Okay, let me sign in. Yes, we are going to reach our lesson. Let us wait for some time. Okay, children, we reach class 4. We are going to learn this lesson, jugs and mugs. And the first topic is capacity. And this is a very simple thing for you. Still, we can see it. Measure me. Can you see? Can you see, children? Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Measure me.
Okay. Measure me. Then here there are some pictures. Circle the things that can be measured in liters or milliliters. Here two units are given to you, liters and milliliters. And you have already learned in class 2 and class 3 that liter and milliliter are units of measuring capacity. And capacity you have already learned. Still, capacity means the maximum quantity of the liquid a vessel can hold. Okay, here the question is, you have to circle the things that can be measured in liters or milliliters. So you have to see whether these things can be measured in liter or milliliter. What about this one, this juice? Liter or milliliter you can measure? Yes. So you will put a circle. What about these fruits? Can you measure these fruits in liter or milliliter? Definitely no. So what about the third one? This you can measure in liter or in milliliters. And these grains, what do you feel? Can you measure it in liter or milliliter? No, we used to measure it in kilogram or gram. Okay, so here in this one also you will put a circle, but in second one no circle, fourth one no circle. What about this fifth one? A glass of milk, that is also you can measure in milliliter. So this here also you will put a circle. What about this chilies? Will you measure in liter or milliliter? Definitely no. Okay, so this was very easy for you. Now here there are some other questions also. Convert into milliliters. Last year you have learned in class 3 that 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Okay, and then converting. Here it is written 1, yeah, this is L, small l, 1 liter plus 500 milliliter. We know, children, that 1 liter is 1000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter, 1000 plus 500. What will you write here? 1500, 1500, 1500 milliliter. Got it? Okay. Now question B. Similar type. 3 liter 250 ml. This means 3 liter plus 250 ml. 1 liter is 1000. So 3 liter is 3000. 3000 plus 250. 3250 ml you will write here. 3250 ml. Got it? Now question C. 5 liter. If 1 liter is 1000 ml, 5 liter is 5000 ml. Very
5,000
simple.
ml.
Very simple, no? Okay. Now we will go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
this next one. 7 liter, 100 milliliter. This is L. This is L. Don't read it as 1. Okay. 7 liter. Okay. Then 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So 7 liter is 7000 milliliter plus 100. 7000 plus 100 is 7100 milliliter. 7100. Okay, let us go to the next question. 4 liter 800 ml. 4 liter is 4000 ml plus 800 ml means 4800 ml. 4800. Got it, children? Okay, now we will go to the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. We will go to the next question. 10 liter. 1 liter is 1000, you know. 5 liter is 5000. 8 liter is 8000. 9 liter is 9000. 10 liter is how much? 10 and how many zero?
10,000.
30. That means 10,000.
30.
1 0 0 0 0 ml. How many zeros after 1? 4 zeros. Okay, that is 10,000 ml. Now next is 4 liter 900 ml. Sorry, 8 liter 900 ml. 8 liter is 8000 plus 900, 8900 ml. 8900. Okay, clear? Now next, the last. 4 liter 20 ml. Okay, 4 liter is 4000. What is 4000 plus 20? 4020 ml. How do you write 4020? 4 0 2 0. In this you should be a little bit careful. Don't write 420 and for 4200 it is 4020. 4020 is 4020. Clear? Clear, children? Yes? Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, let us view the answer also. Okay, see whether whatever we discussed is correct or not. Circle here, circle here, circle here. These three are left out. And here all answers we have discussed. The last answer is 4020. This is 10,000, 4 zeros. Okay, but we have discussed this correct. Okay, now let us wait for a video. Okay, yes, it has come. Okay, may I play it for you? Listen carefully and watch carefully.
Ma'am.
And Pasha are out in the garden to water the trees and plants. Jiggy uses a jug to fill the bucket with water. He fills the jug 8 times to completely fill the bucket. The boys are now watering the trees and plants. Their bucket is now empty. This time, Pasha wants to fill the bucket with water. Pasha uses a bottle to fill the bucket with water. He fills the bottle 12 times to completely fill the bucket. The boys are back to watering the plants.
Hey, Jiggy, I needed to fill my bottle 12 times to completely fill the bucket. And I needed to fill my jug 8 times. But, Jiggy, why did you have to fill your jug lesser times than my bottle? Look, Pasha, my jug is bigger than your bottle. so its capacity is more than the capacity of your bottle. Capacity? What's that? Capacity of a container is the maximum amount that it can hold. The bigger the container, the more its capacity. So Jiggy, since I filled my bottle with water 12 times to completely fill the bucket, can I say the capacity of this bucket is 12 bottles? Yes, Pasha, but I filled the bucket by filling my jug 8 times. So the capacity of this bucket is also 8 jugs. Oh, Jiggy, now I'm confused. Is the capacity of this bucket 8 jugs or 12 bottles?
Yes, children, let me stop for a minute. See, one boy, he has used a jug, the other one used a bottle, and they are confused. Why they are confused? Because the jug and the bottle are non-standard units of measuring capacity. Okay, if you use a jug, a mug, or any other vessel, it is a non-standard unit for measuring capacity. That's why both the boys are getting different answers and they are confused. So these are non-standard units. Now let us continue.
Actually, Pasha, the sizes of objects like jugs, bottles, and mugs are all different. So we should not express the capacity of our bucket in terms of these objects. We need a standard unit to measure capacity. What's a standard unit, Jiggy? A standard unit is a measure that remains the same everywhere and that everyone can use and understand. To measure capacity, the standard unit is liter. Look at this, Pasha. It is a liter measuring container. It can measure out 1 liter. Hey, the milkman who comes home to give milk every morning has the same container. That's right, Pasha. He uses it to measure 1 liter of milk. Now, let's use this container and measure the capacity of our bucket. Okay, Jiggy.
After some time,
Hey, Jiggy, the bucket is full. And you filled the container 10 times to fill the bucket. You're right, Pasha. Since I filled this container 10 times to fill the bucket, the capacity of our bucket is... I know! It's 10 liters. That's brilliant, Pasha. Jiggy, can you tell me how to measure the capacity of a cup full of water? Isn't this 1 liter container too big to measure that? You're right, Pasha. To measure the capacity of objects that are less than a liter, like a cup or a small bottle, we use a smaller unit called milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Look, Pasha. Smaller containers are available to help us measure capacity in milliliters. You may have even seen such smaller containers with the milkman. Using these, we can measure out 500, 100 or even 50 milliliters. Oh, you're right, Jiggy. Whenever Mummy wants to buy less milk, the milkman uses a small container to measure out the milk. Now I understand why. Come on, Pasha. Let's get back to watering the plants. Sure, Jiggy. Let's go.
Okay, children, did you understand? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you understand the things? Okay. Now we are logging out from here. Let me log out. Okay. Now we will take a worksheet based on whatever you have learned here. Yes. Can you see the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay.
visible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Lesson 7, Jets and Mugs. Based on whatever we have learned here, what is this? Okay. We will discuss some questions. First one is write 2 units to measure capacity. We have already discussed 2 units of measuring capacity are liter and milliliter, and these are standard units. Also, these are units where whoever uses it, the units will remain the same. Okay, and how many milliliters make 1 liter? This also we have already discussed in the Tata class search, 1000 milliliter. Okay, now write 2 non-standard units to measure liquids. This I told you during the video. Okay, do you remember I stopped somewhere and told you about it? See, the 2 boys were,
Yes,
one of the boy was using a mug, the other boy was using a bottle, and these 2 are non-standard units. But you can have so many different non-standard units also. If you take a bowl also, it's a non-standard unit. If you take a bucket also, it's a non-standard unit. Okay, name the standard unit to measure liquids. Liter is the standard unit considered as to measure the capacity. Okay, and milliliter also, if anybody measures with a proper milliliter vessel, measuring vessel, it will remain same. Fifth question is convert into milliliters. We have already done such type of questions in the worksheet. Do you remember Tata class worksheet? 5 liter. 5 liter is dash ml. We have already learned that 1 liter is 1000 ml. So 5 liter is 5000 ml. Okay. Then 3 liter. Answer is here given. Okay. 3 liter. Yes. Similarly, 3 liter 300 ml. How many milliliters? 3 liter is how many milliliter? 3000 plus 300, 3300 milliliter. Okay, and I have prepared questions afterwards. Okay, then C is 6 liter 50 ml. 6 liter is 6000 ml plus 50 ml, 6050 ml. 6050 ml. 6000 plus 50 is 6050. This type of addition, you should be a little bit careful. Okay, if you feel a confusion, if you are in a confusion, do one thing, you write 6000, then write 50 below, then you do plus and confirm your answer and then write. Okay, after some practice, you will come to know about it. Then next is question D, 7 liter 350 ml. 7 liter, you know, 7 liter is 7000 ml plus 350 ml, 7350 ml. Now question E is 2 liter 25 ml. 2 liter is how many ml, children? 2000. 2000 plus 25 is 2025 ml. How do you write 2025? 2025. Then next is fill in the blanks. Now with this knowledge, we have to do the fill in the blanks. 1 liter dash ml. 1 liter dash ml is equal to 1455 ml. So this 1455 ml, this is 1 liter. Then how many milliliter is left? 455 milliliter is left. So what will come in the dash? 455. Okay, now you have to think, now you have to think in the reverse way. Okay, B. dash liter 50 ml is equal to 7050 ml. How many liter from this you have to take liter? How many liter? 7 liter. So what will you write here? 7. 7 liter is 7000. 7000 plus 50, 7050. This way you can check your answer also. Okay. Now coming to question C. 4 liter 360 ml is equal to. Okay, we have to find out how many ml it is. Okay, how many ml it is? 4 liter is 4000 liter, and 360 ml is, you have to add with 4000 milliliter. 4000 milliliter. 4000 plus 360 is 4360 ml. Usually children, we used to write milliliter, liter short form in capital L and milliliter short form small m capital L. Okay. Then next is D. Dash liter dash ml is equal to 8750 milliliter. So 8750 milliliter means how many liters? What will come here? 8 liter, and dash ml 750 ml. Got it? Here 8. That's why I write the first answer, then comma second answer 750 here. Now 3 liter dash ml equal to 3005 ml. 3005 ml means 3000 ml plus 5 ml. So 3000 ml makes 3 liter. Now how many ml is left? Only 5. 5 ml is 5 ml is left. Okay. I hope you understood. Now there are some questions for you to try yourself. Okay. I shall read it out. 1 liter is dash ml. Very simple, you know it. Okay. 2005 ml equal to dash liter dash ml. Can you do it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Third one is 3450 ml is equal to dash liter 450 ml. How many liter you have to write here? Then fourth, 5660 ml is equal to 5 liter. This 5 is here. How many ml you have to write? Got it? Then fifth question, 1010 ml is how many liter? How many ml? Okay. 1010 means 1000 plus 10. Okay, I gave you the hint. Sixth question, 3055 ml means 3000 plus 55. Now you can do it. Are you able to do it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you should try.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
All of you should try doing it. Okay. Now let us stop the class today and everybody learn it, do it. Okay. So all the children, please join your hands for Shanti Bad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bye children. We'll meet tomorrow in the next maths class. Okay. Take care.